ಓಕೆ ಒಳಗಡೆನೇ ಇದೆಯಾ ಈಗ I've got another rescue call from the exhibition ground itself. We are following the person there and we were just about to leave this location and we got another rescue call. So they have spotted the snake here. ಇದೇನೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೂಮ್ ಇದು ಓಕೆ ಒಳಗಡೆನೇ ಇದೆಯಾ ಈಗ ಅದು ಕೆರೆ ಅವೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜನ ಓಡಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾವುಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲೋಗತ್ತೆ Here we have a snake. ಇದು ತಿಂದಿದೆ ಇದು ಒಂದ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಇದು ಕೆರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ತಿಂದಿದೆ ಇದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಇದು ಇಲಿ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು बोनस बम्पर
वो भी अच्छा टाइम को दिखा देखो
कतरता नहीं है
कतरता भी कच्चा है
जीपीएस
So I got 2 rat snake to release it here, which I just now rescued from Mysore Dasara exhibition ground. While I was almost leaving, a person came on a bike and he called me, there's another snake, please come fast. So I just went there and saw there's another rat snake which had already fed on squirrel or rodent, or I'm not sure, but it was completely full by its stomach and resting on a wooden plank, and it was an electric room, and this is the snake, and still the stomach is full, like it is not regurgitated or vomited. And due to the Dasara chaos, people like there are like 1 to 2 lakh people coming and going in that Dasara grounds. So due to that chaos and loud volume, people movement, animals go crazy there. Okay, you see here the stomach is full bulge here. It is not been regurgitated or vomited. Okay, this is quite fast. And if you guys like the video, like the content, then do follow me and share it with your friends and family. Until then.